Right. So which pair should we try to analyze? You know, today is focus analysis.
Um, yeah, I don't know. Whatever you suggest, man.
I just
Hello, good day.
I'll just pick on any random thing, yo. How about to
Let's go on GBP USD.
yeah, how about we try the GBPs because somehow the GBPs and the euros do move, yo. I just realized that. What was
GBP
that?
USD.
GBP USD.
Yeah, I was looking on that yesterday, actually.
I try avoid any pair, yo. Really, yeah. Start the this month, yo. Alright, so as well do 1, 2, 3. Let's go,
Yeah,
baby.
yeah. The dollar's dropping. I think the dollar
Okay.
is weak right now.
Then let's go for GBP JPY.
Already I've clicked on GBP, so let's just analyze it. So GBP USD, this is it. The market is looking like 3 months, alright, from the 3 month time frame. So let's try to do that. Then now we try to go to the monthly now. Everything makes sense, yeah. Hope you can see my screen. So this is we had the kind of correct impulse, and now the market was kind of going back to give us that. And
It's gonna drop.
That's actually shade that be the one go.
It's gonna drop.
C2
Yeah,
window
it's
level.
gonna drop. It's
yeah,
gonna
so
drop.
I'm trying just my trend lines to see that maybe I might miss something, yo. So if I had that, we had this as the first touch, second touch, the third. So now probably the
I swear that
market,
there's a head and shoulders there though as well.
where is that? Right here.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is the month. So like I was explaining this,
No. Bottom right. Bottom right.
bottom right.
Yeah,
We
where you are right now, that's the left shoulder going up the head, then the right shoulder to come down and then to drop.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's try to analyze the market first, yo. Let's try to see. Let's try to analyze the market now. Maybe we'll about the shapes, you know. Today we want to strictly focus the market, yo. Just a minute. Let me add somebody to the group. Okay. Invite. Copy. All right then. Just a minute, gang. Just a minute. Alright, so like I was saying, guys, we had the first, second, the third touch. So if this was the first touch right here, this is the first touch, then now I believe this is the second touch, and now price somehow gave us the third touch. So a good indication that no, we should be going down. Alright, now this is, so we are aware that the market kind of giving us those touches to give us. How about we try to analyze this type of movement right here? Let's start from here, 1, 2, 3, like that. And now 1, 2, 3. Probably everything will be making sense in the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, just a minute. Somebody's calling me, yo. I need to put my phone on flight mode.
Can you see that head and shoulders though, bro?
We'll see that, yo. Currently,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to interpret the market. I'll come into patterns later. All right. Alright, so if that was the case, then look at this. This is kinda lower low, then this is a lower high, which is somehow correction. And now I believe you see that our bias that the market wants to drop is valid, because this is a lower low. This impulse kind of bullish bear flag. Then now I believe that's the bullish flag. Is that, yeah, for market to continue dropping down. I hope that makes sense. So let's go back to the weekly now, since we understand that, right? This is it. Everything now start to make sense. I try now to adjust my trend line just like this. This is it. So now I'm now understanding why GBP USD was going up, yo. I'm now understanding this, okay? All right. Kind of these are impulse, kind of impulse. Now the market went down. That the market will breaks up to go, because now I'm seeing that market kind of gave me this, and these are not bullish, right? I continue back. So yo, try to mute your mic, yo, or yeah, I don't know whose mic is that. So look at this. So if this was an impulse, then guess what? The market was giving us a correction, then to break. All right. So at the same time, I've not seen any reversal pattern that the market is now. What do I mean by that? Kind of the market should have given us an inverse, a head and shoulder or a double top. So if this was left shoulder right here, then now the market gave us a head, gave us this neckline, and now I'm anticipating the market is going to give us a right shoulder before we drop. That is it. And if the market back high, let me just draw that. Let me get my tool right. Head like this. Right, so if I look at the head, this is it. The market might be going to give us that right shoulder. That is when we drop. Or if the market breaks out of this right shoulder, this is it. The market might do this. It's a meaning. The market might do this. We have to identify this. Now the market might give us this kind of a behavior, go up to give us now a double top. That is when it drops. So we understand that now currently this market is going to approach this resistance. So that is from the weekly, right? So now our body, but now coming up. So where is we see the market is going to target right here. So that's the daily. This is the daily. So let me try to do this. If I do this, I need to now draw another trend like this. So we have to go to the 4 hour now. Before that, let me try to do something. I need something. I hope you remember, guys, that we had this kind of left shoulder that we somehow anticipate the now neckline. Now their head back to give us a neckline, and I believe it's going to give us the right shoulder. Yeah, guys, I hope now you guys have started to see that this joint has already started to make sense, guys. So if we do this, I hope you guys are now seeing that head and shoulder. Hope you guys are now seeing that head and shoulder, guys. Head and shoulder, yo. Head and shoulder. And guess what? Is that clear, guys? Oh, you people. Oh, you got your microphone. Try to do means daily time for me to see, right? Maybe adjust our trends probably and understand what the market is trying to do. Let me just do this once again. So
yeah, for sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, you guys are back from the day. Go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
If he now, remember our target is that, or this market wants to go high. All right, so we still have almost 300 pips that GBP
Yeah,
USD
they've
wants to
muted.
go.
I think you know what it is. Nick's got with feedback. I mean,
Yeah. So let's see. If we had that now, I need to try to. Okay, this is the 4, guys. I have to try to maybe rewind the market and see the behavior. Then probably will not understand. I need to understand this kind of behavior. So if we had this like that, so if we had, oh, touch, yes, if we were to look for the third touch, guys, because we had first touch right here, second touch, the third. Now the third touch, that is when we should be dropping. Yeah, that is it. All right, so now we're looking for sales. So let's see if the market wants to give us those sell position. So right now let's go to the 1 hour and the market did. Now I have to understand what the market is doing, so that now next week, that is comes tomorrow, we will know where we are and what the market did last week. Remember, now last week kinda we was looking for the third touch. So let's see, the market did its thing. Why is this crazy? Oh, I understand. Okay, let me go. Let me add this video. Why is this shit crazily slow? Okay, the market did that. Somehow the market has not given us that touch, so we are the touch, then we sell. Okay, now let's try to see if we see a pattern. Then now it should be good. All right, the market did that. Come on, yo. Why is this? So that's the touch. So now that we see, oh, last week somehow the market gave us, now this is the third touch. So now we should be looking for sale position. So if that's the case, then now let's try to see this. 1 2 3, this is it, baby. Now we should be looking for reversal structures. That is when we take our sale position. So now we extend this. Remember guys, generally we should be going up. So but then at the bottom right here we have first touch, second touch. So we need this third touch right here. That is when we should go probably up and then target this high. That makes sense. This is it. So since we know the market wants to drop and give a third touch right here, now we should, don't leave the money, yo. We should try to see how we get back to this zone. Those are 300 something. All right, so now let's see, we should be looking for sales. So any kind of a reversals, oh, thank you. Now I know what the market wants to do. So this is it, guys, with the analysis right here. This is the last higher low. Thank you. So if this is the last higher low, guys, we had an impulse correction or higher low, higher high, higher low. So now the market is at the highest high. That is higher high. So this is it. A good confirmation that now the market wants to go down. It has to break out of this last higher low. That makes sense. So this is it. Probably the market might do this break right here. Now I don't see any reversal. Then now most people will start taking their sell position the moment the market breaks like this. All right, thinking that, oh, the market has broken out of this trend line, but forgetting that, yo, that is just a false break. Then the market will now go back. And if you try to look over here on your left, guys, this might be a sensitive zone to give us, oh, that's the left shoulder. Then now this is when we execute after the market takes out those people who sold right here. All right, if that's the case, then now we do this and we take our sell position right there, because now the market has broken. Then this is it. This is where we target. So this is GBP USD. Thank you the market. And you guys, I hope you guys can see this. Let me just try to delete this. Probably and draw right here, we should see this left shoulder right there. The market is currently at the head, so we need that false break, guys, to catch bears, and then boom, most people will be taken out. And now when the market is done with the manipulation right here, guys, that is when we come in. Simple. This is it. Simple. And if that does not happen, we don't make a move until the market gives us a reason that it wants to drop. Guys, we're not going to look for buys on GBP USD. Don't look for buys, you're looking for sales. All right, if the market continues moving up here, don't consider position until I see a reversal structure, because I won't take a buy right here, yo. Taking a buy here is risky because right now the market is at its highest point, so that will be crazy. And if the market continues,
even if the market continue buying, even if the market continue buying, it is not much before it will not reverse for the sales.
It's just giving us sign that now it wants to go down. So avoid. Even if you see it's going up, guys, avoid, because this is this. The market might do this, of course, trap people. Then if it continues going up, guys, do not buy. Remember this. There's also this zone right here. This is the last high right here. That's the last high, and that's the third touch. So if we see that the market is going up, probably let's do this. The market is going up to give us now another reversal. That is a double top. Then now we go down, right? Is it? So we're not going to do anything like sell position. The market is that at the third touch, and now I hope you guys will remember this, guys. And maybe when Monday comes, guys, you come back.
But
to
when
this
you go
video.
Try go to the 15 minutes. You see that there is a kind of bullish flag there. Though
No
the
problem.
buying will not be much.
There's no problem. We won't fall for any manipulation. All right. Currently, what I'm saying is that the market wants to drop, yo. So even if the market gives me a bullish structure, I'm not going to take a buy position until this market breaks out of this zone right here. So the only way that we want to buy, remember, of course, at the higher time frame, we should be buying. But now, the best position, I call it the best price for our buys. Remember this zone right here. I believe you can see this. So I'm expecting this kind of short position. We have this short position, and then if the market touches now, this is going to be the third touch. Remember, at the top we had first touch, second touch, then the third. Now the third, the market wants to drop. That is when we're targeting. Now at the bottom we have the first touch, second touch now, and the third touch. That is when we go in for swings, full swings. Remember, now we're targeting right here, and then when the market now behaves, or if we identify the behavior around this zone, then guys, remember our sell positions. I hope you guys remember we had also a head and shoulder at the highest time frame. So that's when we go back to the highest time frame. Yo, I hope you guys are ready. This is the zone right here. So might not happen anytime soon, but this is it. Generally, we should be dropping this market like crazy. All right, like crazy, because this left shoulder right here, this is the head, right shoulder, so we should be dropping. That makes sense. So for now, we just need to concentrate on this lower time frame or the current market and to react to what the market will be trying to do, because we can't wait for all these, this might take months. We can't wait for these days. That is when we take our entry position, yo. We just have to react to what the lowest time frame is doing. So any question here? You guys are back to your graveyards. Unmute your microphones. Time to unmute, yo. Time for
question. We're paying attention.
Yes, sir. So unmute your microphone. It's time to answer question Q&A.
Okay.
Anybody has a question, yo? Anybody has a question? No question. How about then we look USD selling. We don't want to joke with that. Selling. So
okay, good. Makes sense. Yeah.
GBP USD selling.
And that's on the 4 hour, right?
Yeah, this is the 4 hour. So do not forget, guys, come back tomorrow when you want to tackle GBP USD. Come back to this video, rewind the video, and if you don't see any structure, do not make any position, yo. Do not make a position, right?
Okay.
And even if
definitely no buying,
no buying right now. And if it continues to go up, let it go. When it touches this zone, then now we should be seeing how it reacts. Then now, guess what? It will be to our advantage, because now this is the highest. Remember, we should be looking for sales, right? So if it continues going up, then we should be waiting for it at this zone. And now this is where we sell, because now if it doesn't drop from here, then we should here. We don't buy here. Yo, if you buy here, this market can go any side, either up or down. This is in the middle, so you don't do anything.
Okay. Okay.
So which pair should we try to analyze?
Chef.
Yeah?
Chef.
Card CHF is at the bottom, I believe so.
Card CHF.
Yeah, I deleted that pair, yo. I believe I deleted those pairs. Those pairs really lag. They don't move, yo. You see, I deleted those pairs, so probably we should try to analyze another one. Yo, like I say, these GBPs and euros, I think they make major movements. So I think we should stick to this because I don't trade gold. Yo, gold is crazy, and I like to avoid that. So if I can't trade gold, either I will trade USD, ZAR, the GBPs and the euros. So let's see. You guys, any suggestion?
So any pair with the euro or the GBP.
Yeah.
Because for me, that's the earliest session, busy session.
So how about maybe GBP Aussie? I'm seeing.
So any pair, any other pair, JPY.
Oh, GBP JPY. Let me see. Where is GBP JPY?
Okay.
All right, here it is. So when we start our analysis, you guys can mute your mics. I can hear background noise. Yo. Remember, others will also be watching on YouTube. I don't know whose mic is that. All right, thank you. So GBP JPY. Let's start from the 3 months analysis, guys. If we had, then all right, thank you. GBP JPY. So come on. We start our analysis 1 to 3. Yeah, let's see. We try anything, yo. As long as it makes sense, then that is what we use. 1 to 3. We just try. Let's see right there. 1 2 3. Probably makes sense at the lower time frame. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying anything. 1 2 3. That was broken. Okay. So it's gone. Okay. Stupid. So I see that GP is in range. Okay. So you trying to be cheeky. This market is moving sideways. This market is moving sideways. Yes, sir. And now it's about to touch this high. So this is it. How about we call this a lower low? Then now correction. Boom. Continues moving down. Yo, this is 3 months. So that is just analysis that might happen 5 years later. So let's go. Right now, let's concentrate on what we have. The is moving sideways. So if that's the case, let's see. The last now this calls for demand and supply zone thing. So if this is our supply, let me just call that out. That's a supply zone. Then over here should be our demand. Then if that's the case, so let's see. All right. Lock this. So we had the market went down. Now now it's go. So kind of the market, like I say, is moving sideways. So we believe that it will try to continue to be around. We don't still believe this is an impulse. Just a minute. Let me delete this. So this is just an impulse. The market is just playing around, maybe losing momentum before breaking. So let's continue to understand the market at the weekly now. At the weekly, let's see if we can get trend lines. Yo, we just try anything's possible. We gaze work. See, gaze work. Okay, all right. So if that's the case, let's see at the daily. All right, so the market. Okay. The market wanted to drop. Some of the market wanted to drop. Left. Then okay. So I can see that somehow this was a head and shoulder that the market was trying to form. Left shoulder, head there, neckline. Then the market wanted to give us right shoulder before dropping, but then it broke out of that left shoulder. So probably it was going to give us another reversal structure at the top. Let's just go and see that at the lower time frame. We never know. We never know. We never know what the market is doing. And then let's go to the 4-hour then. That. So this is the 4-hour. Let's see if we get a trend. 1, 2, 3. Yo, trends within trends. Trends. Crazy. We had that, and I had also, I don't know, let me see if we can get this 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, so it's now sense. You can see, guys. Can you see this? So hidden, yo. This is a double top. Crazy. So this is the criminal. This was the criminal here. So hidden, yo. So that's the case. So if we had that as a double top, let me go back to the 1 hour then. What was our analysis on GBSD? The JPY is trying to give me the same thing, yo. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that will make sense.
It's like they have a positive correlation.
Yes, sir.
The GBP and GBP JPY.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this is it. If that's the case, that's what the market is telling us as the 1 hour. So let me try something. I need to understand that kind of behavior. I like to do this, so let's understand what's the market doing to understand. Oh, okay. So the market went, then there was this kind of bearish pattern. So if we had this, let me see what kind of reversal the market had. We had so let's see if it came down, went up. Okay, so let's see if we have another reversal the lower time frame then. If the case, let's see. This is the 50 now. That's the guy. So yeah, I see JPY has not given us an indication in one. It should be going down, yo. It should be going down. So how do we know that now it's time to take a position? Now, the last high of the high low. This is it. That's it. Starting to make sense for me. Oh, yo, guys, I'm seeing patterns right here.
Okay.
So this is it. If this is the last highest low, remember what we did on GBP JPY, yo. Left shoulder right here. The head gives them a false break, then go back. Right shoulder, then we drop.
Okay.
Crazy. So we should be waiting for that kind of behavior. Let the market do that, go back, come down. But then you might try to scalp this, fall to the down. Let me see how many pips. Because now it wants to drop. Yeah, we should be seeing that. So we should scalp this, or I don't know if that's day trading thing. ride this all the way down, then now we should expect the market to go back. Probably it might break, but then if it breaks that zone, we should not take sales right here. We should not take sales here. We should just wait for that pullback. This is it. We should see this kind of behavior. The market breaks this highest low. Now if it breaks, I know most people will take their sales, like I said before, right here. Most people will take the sales here and then target that, but then I still believe the market might now be giving us kinda a downtrend structure. So if that was a head and shoulder, guys, then let me just draw once again. The market does this, then now try to break, and if it goes up, so if we call that a head and shoulder, then this is the case. We should see this. We had the left shoulder like this. The reason why I'm saying that taking a sell after this break will be risky is this. We should hide that now. Then if we try to like this, you guys are seeing that that's a kinda downtrend. Look at this. So this is just an impulse. Then now correction is what, where if you can see this is the left shoulder, this is there, then when we take our sell position, guys, just to avoid this fake out and the madness that the market usually gives us. It's crazy, yo. I hope you guys can see that it makes sense now. Maybe it will do this. We had a break like this. Let's do this. So something like that. You see, I hope you guys can now downtrend thing. We had higher high, higher low, so we can't take sales on higher low. We only take sales at the highest, lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, so we'll take sale at the lower high right here, like this. All right, so taking a sell right here will be crazy. So we should try to see how the market will open and play around. Now at the lower time frame, let's delete this. Let's go to the 1 minute. Maybe the market will go down. At the 1 minute, let me see what the market is doing. Kind of choppy to me. Sense though. So avoid this and see how the market plays, yo. If it gives us a reversals tomorrow, I'll try to see how we should be taking our sell position and then only get out here.
Okay.
Do not ride the market all the way. I don't know if we should see, probably call this the last zone, and if the market breaks out of this, that is because I can't see reversal structures, yo. 1 hour candle, let me go back to the 1 hour then if we have a 1 hour candle close below here, right, then now of course we need to say that this is the last high. So a break below here with an hour candle, guys, then guess what, take your shot. This is it. This is where you take your sell position. Then now,
okay,
stop loss above now this high, and not right away. In fact, somehow you might even get out because at the same time you might try to target here, but it's going to be crazy targeting here. You never know if this market might give equal neck before. I don't know. Maybe it might try to do this. Come down now, reversal this position, go back. Try to be safe. It's crazy. So that's how. So on this GBP JPY, my alert set here, we go. I'll have the alert right there. But at the same time, the market might open and we have big spread, so we might miss this entry, because the break is somehow to happen. So it will be crazy. I don't know. Just cap the I find the market already dropping. So if find the market has already dropped, just let it go. We just wait at this zone because easy. And if it breaks above, guys, continues moving up, I don't know how it goes. I'll just avoid the market. If it breaks, that is, if it breaks out of this high, then I leave it crazy. This top and it breaks. That means market might give us this pullback, then continue going. So here, if I see buy position, I won't take. I'll just avoid that. Crazy. Oh, you can now unmute your mics, yo. If you have a question, let me hear.
Okay.
Any question, yo?
I'll go for CAD USD, USD CAD.
USD CAD. Analyzing the market is crazy. Oh. USD CAD code. Alright, so let me see, delete that. Everything at the time. Let's start from the week 3 months ago. Chun. 3 months. Zoom out everything. Zoom out everything. So now what the market is doing, the market is doing. And if guys let it, we don't force anything, yo. Let's try to interpret this. If this was the move, 1, 2, 3, and 2. Look at you. Okay. Look at you. Impulse correction. Wee! Impulse. Stupid. And if we zoom in, we see this is a bullish flag right here. Yo, this is the 3 months, yo. The bullish flag kind has been broken. Shit. This is cool, yo. This is crazy. Look at you. Guys, don't worry, everything is going to make sense at the lower time frame. Currently, I want to see what. Alright, so this is it. This is what the market is giving us. 3 months. We have impulse, bullish flag correction. So kinda the market wants to break that high. So let's see at the monthly. Oh, yo. Can you see that, guys? So the month is coming to an end, guys. The month is coming to an end. We are on 26th November, and guess what? This was just a pullback. This red candle is just a pullback, 1 month pullback. So guess what? It's kind of the market has not broken. So we have, let me see, how many days until the month and how many days? We have,
so it's like 4 days or something, 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, next week, Thursday. This market, guys, doesn't break below this support line. I hope you are seeing. I hope you guys are seeing that. If that doesn't happen,
That'll be crazy buys, man.
it's going.
That'll be crazy buys.
Yes, sir. You see, because this is an impulse correction. Then guess what? It took time, guys. These are many months, yo. These are months. If one handle sticks out, it's 1 month. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 months, 14 months, guys.
Wow.
Like an year.
Wow.
1 year plus, right?
Whoa.
Then it broke because this is it. All this while the market giving us a big flag for accumulation to go up. And then if you do this, guys, this first touch right here, second touch, on the third, the market gave us the kind of correction for like, I don't know how many, 1 year and some months, and now it broke last month, and now this market came back for retest, and now if the market doesn't break below this support, yo, market doesn't break below in the next 4 days. This is it. That's the stop loss. So let's go to the weekly.
They're crazy.
You guys can see that. Do we see that? For the past, let me see how many weeks. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, guys. The market has been consolidating around this support zone. I hope now things are making sense now. 6 Ghana zone. Now,
Yep.
if we
Yes.
see that this was the last candle week, right there, we see that last week the market kinda bounced off that zone. Yo, we don't need you around here. You don't go down. You don't have to go down. Boom, bouncing. Let me just try to see if I can adjust this.
Hi, Jonathan.
1, 2, 3, bouncing. Okay, let's see. Now it's kind of bouncing. See it? Impulse correction. Good confirmation. Oh, this market is not going up. Look at that. Now another trend line. Good confirmation that this market doesn't want to go. It should break out of this line. Should break this low. This, nah, we're going happy. Look at this, the first sector chart. Now see that daily. Guys, should we just call this the last analysis? I'm tired. Tired, yo. We have good swings already. Right there.
Yeah, we we could take a break there, but yeah, we could take a break there actually.
Yeah. So look at this. Somehow, the market also gave people something. Look at this now. At the daily, yo, we need to be keen. Of course, we saw that kind of buy at the higher time, but then at the daily, we are seeing a head and shoulder that this market has to go down. Left shoulder, head, neckline, right shoulder, and you see that. But then, I still believe it's a manipulation, man. Because now, if that's the head and shoulder, then fine. It's a head and shoulder, fine. But kinda might be a bullish flag. Where should I start? Kinda might give us a bullish flag. Could this be the case? Then now, of course, complete this head and shoulder thing now. Then this is where it gains momentum to go up. That is it. So this is it. So let's just delete this and see what the market is doing at the 4 hour then. But currently the market of course has given that kind of head and shoulder thing, but then it has not broken out of this support. So if it breaks out of this last higher low, then we should start to see a kind of bearish momentum. That is a short-term bearish momentum, because we also have this zone into play, yo. Have that zone into play. The market might bounce off and continue going up. There's no way I think this market will drop. So if it does this, breaks out of this support right there, then we continue to see bullish momentum, just a short term right here. Then now kind of scalp. Then now the market gathers all the momentums it can get in this world, then stupid, this is criminal. All right, that's it. So let's go back and see the 4 hours and the 4 hour. Right, but we had 2 3 1 2 3. Let's see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so you see that kind of downtrend, guys. I hope you guys can see that kind of downtrend, but I still believe this is a bullish flag, yo. No matter what this market wants to do, I'm not going to take a sell, yo. We have all the damn confidence in the world. So you guys think, oh, that's a break, that's it. The market has broken out of this trend line. Oh, it's a break below, we should be going down, yo. We should be going, okay. But how about this? I don't know if this is what I think it is. That is it. You guys saw that. So this is it. We expect that kind of pattern. The market goes up, come back. Oh, people think, oh, that's the third touch, we should be going. Let us sell. Oh, let us sell. Then now most people take the sell positions. Let's target this. And then now, oh, this is it, stop loss above. Then I'm not seeing sales, I'm seeing buys. I cut these, and guess what, when people are holding their position, I come in crazy and trade against everybody. Yo, I don't know what's happening. Yes, sir. Let's see what the market is doing at the one now. I don't know how I saw that. I just plain. So this is it. USD card. Oh, come on. USD card. I'm going to look for buys, yo. But not now. This is where I want to look for buys. A pullback. I just want the market to continue going up. Let me see how many pips are those. 100 pips. So I don't know, maybe tomorrow the market continues going up, but then I'll just look at it. I won't do anything. I'll let it go up. Then maybe the next day, that is Tuesday, if it drops, then people taking their sales, then this is it. That is Tuesday. Then now on Wednesday, this is where I attack. Guys, patience. I don't know when this move will happen. What I'm seeing. Let me go back to the 15, because for now I've not seen any reversal structure that the market wants to go up. Right? It becomes see a reversal structure tell me to take a buy position right now, and I'm not seeing a reversal structure to tell me that the market is going down. Yo, everything is clear. I just have to stay away for now. I need to stay away, because guess what? Most people will try this. Because let me just draw this. Let's go back to the one. Mostly. Let me delete this also. Let me just delete this. Oh, this is a downtrend. Yo, the market broke out of this continuation pattern. This is a downtrend. Oh, we should continue taking our sell position right here. Let's take our sell position right here. It's okay. But then that is the most risky thing, man. Okay, because this is it. Impulse, correction, impulse. So correction, of course it broke, but then I saw the bigger picture. Maybe it might do this, you never know. Then now do this, never know. Do this. Then now if I see it right now, then we go. I should not wait for the bigger version. Exactly. Now I got it. I hope you guys see that. Let me just repeat that. If I don't see this bigger version, remember I said that maybe this the left shoulder, the bigger version, the head, then I was expecting this market to continue going up, then drop, then that is when I come in. And if the market doesn't move up, that is just goes and then respect this trend, then now I should wait for the market to drop, give me a reversal here. Then now instead of waiting for the bigger version of left shoulder, right shoulder, then this is the zone I should be taking my buy position. So I'll just avoid this. I'm avoiding a buy or a sell right now. Let the market do what it wants to do, but I want the market to give me good structures. Alright, wait for the market to give me good structure. That is when I execute. Yo guys, I'm tired. You're gonna unmute your mics, yo, and let me hear if you have a question. Any question, yo? None.
I don't think anybody's got any questions.
Then
They seem silent.
Then let's call it a day, you guys, man. And
yep.
I hope you guys are cool. So maybe see you next time. Peace.